So if you're using Google Tasks but only scratching the surface, yeah. In 2026, there are a lot of advanced features most people never touch. Once you set it up properly, it can actually replace a lot of your basic to-do apps. First, open Google Tasks in full view. You can do this from the sidebar in Gmail or Google Calendar, or by opening it in a separate window for better control. Next, create multiple task lists. Instead of dumping everything into one list, separate work, personal, study, or projects for cleaner organization. Now use subtasks to break big tasks into smaller steps. This helps you stay focused and actually finish complex tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Next, add due dates and recurring schedules. This is powerful for habits like daily study, weekly reports, or monthly reminders. Here's the advanced part. Google Tasks syncs with Google Calendar. Once enabled, your tasks appear directly on your schedule so you can plan your day visually. You can also turn emails into tasks directly from Gmail. This is super useful when you get important messages you can't act on immediately. Now, reorder your tasks by priority. Just drag important tasks to the top so you always know what to focus on first. Finally, review your tasks daily. Mark completed ones, remove unnecessary items, and keep your list clean so it doesn't become overwhelming. And that's it. Once you start using these advanced Google Tasks features, managing your day becomes way more organized and stress-free.